Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add the reflection effect on text, images, whatever you like. So let's get into it. Alright, so first I'm going to implement my two images. The first one being the background, and then the one is the image I'm going to be reflecting. Go ahead and select the image that you're going to be reflecting, and just while holding shift, you can just increase the size just by a little bit, as well as just raising it up a little bit as well. Once you're satisfied with the height and the size, while holding Alt, click and drag the image that you can be reflecting just above it. So therefore you're copying and pasting. Once you've done that, go ahead into the effects panel and search up vertical flip. Go ahead and put this onto the one that you're going to be reflecting. So this one's going to be the one on top. This is the duplicated image. Look up also linear wipe. And last but not least, go ahead and look up Gaussian blur. Alright, once you guys have done all of that, make sure the image that is flipped upside down is just adjusted so that it's just below the image itself. Just about that. Scroll down and go under here where it has linear wipe. Make sure that the transition completion is like 56. The wipe angle, I'm going to put it at 0. The feather, I'm going to put that at 300. And then lastly, the Gaussian blur, put the blurriness to around 13. And of course from here you can go ahead and change how much you want the image to be revealed. Over here where it has the transition completion, just go ahead and just change that. So you can make it longer, shorter, however you'd like it that. Alright, and that's basically it. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy it or found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And if there's anything else you guys would like me to do, be sure to leave it in the comments down below. And all that being said, thank you so much for watching again, and God bless.